Hello. So, I'm gonna record this intro again. Oh, this is my dog Ella. She's say hi. You say hi. A Puka. Puka. I call her Puka. Don't ask me why. What was I saying? Oh, she's a golden retriever black lab mix. I'm re-recording this intro because I forget that I need to record it sideways, and I know you can like reformat it, but it just wasn't working. So I'm just gonna start recording vlogs is what I've decided. This is Lola. If you hear her making noises, that's why. This is my life. Okay. I decided I'm gonna keep doing vlogs, or I'm going to do vlogs, and I'll just incorporate a little bit of everything that I previously mentioned in the last video. So I'm just gonna walk you through my day. This one's probably not gonna be anything crazy, but we'll show you a little makeup look and some cooking later, and I don't know, random stuff. You can meet my dogs too more. They'll, I'm sure, become a favorite in these videos. So right now, like I said, I'm not gonna be really focusing on makeup anymore. Not that I don't still love makeup, but it's just not really something I want to like specialize in. So for now, we have a mix of high-end and drugstore. We got the Rimmel Stay Matte, tried and true, love it. Really good for my skin. Only $3.99, I think. I'm gonna mix these two foundations because I don't think I'm this tan, but I also don't think I'm this light right now. I love them both. This one is way cheaper than this one. This one's like $40. This one is, I don't know, like $8.99. I have an e.l.f. concealer. I love this. It's their camo concealer. It's like $3.99. Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and the Coty Airspun that I believe is like $5.99. So I'm gonna apply this with my makeup sponge, and I will come back when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. So we have like a good, it ended up matching pretty well, I think. I'm currently listening to And That's Why We Drink. If you guys like true crime or paranormal, I highly recommend. Em and Christine are super funny. So, let's see. Now I'm doing my other face makeup, however you want to say that. I use the Hoola bronzer. I use Kat Von D Shade Light. This palette is so old, I should probably throw it out, but it's fine. The Anastasia blush palette and Wet n Wild highlight. What was I gonna say? Oh, before this, I'll mention my little morning routine. I literally just, I have like this acne scar treatment that, what am I doing? It's not what I was supposed to be doing. That I've been using off of Amazon. I can link it below. Actually, I feel like it's doing a good job. And for somebody who picks at her pimples all the time, because I am ridiculous, I think it's working pretty good. And you apply it like twice a day, and then you're good. And then I just use the Mario Badescu like little rose water thing. I'm not really sure like what the benefits of using that are, but it smells good and it makes me feel refreshed. So, and then let's see. I don't know. I think that's it. I do more at night for my skin than I do in the morning. Oh, I just use like this little oil, Clinique, like, what is it called? Like a little liquid bottle. I'll link it, or show a picture of what I'm talking about, but it gets rid of the oily parts of my T-zone in the morning, which is especially important if I do my makeup because I don't want it going everywhere. So I am intensely contouring my nose because I literally hate my nose. I actually just had a nose surgery last year. y'all want to hear more about that journey, I was born with a cleft palate. So I've had several surgeries related to that. It was an interesting, I shouldn't say was, it is an interesting journey. I may or may not get another one done. I really like the right side of my face. I don't like how it looks from my left, and I don't like how it's still like kind of uneven, I guess. So it's a struggle, but that's okay. Anyways, my point being, that is why you see me aggressively contouring my nose, because I try to get it looking pretty straight. All right, last but not least, I'm just gonna use this on my eyebrows. It's like $3. I do have microbladed eyebrows because I hate doing my eyebrows, and I love just being able to like put this on and be done with it. I highly recommend where I get it done. I think the initial procedure was $400. I shouldn't say procedure, it's not a procedure, but it kind of hurts though. Definitely like triggers my sinuses personally, but I highly recommend you get it done, retouched up like every year and a half. I love it. So, and then I have the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. I'm gonna put on eyelashes, the Ardell Natural Lashes in 421, I think. And then I'm gonna do this Kylie lip in Candy K. And that should be it. For those of you wondering why I do this full face of makeup, I figure if I'm doing my makeup, I need to just do it all. And eyelashes are a part of that. I don't really do my eyeshadow anymore. I just kind of throw some bronzer up in there. But yeah, I feel like all or nothing. Every time I do my makeup like halfway, I'm just like, why did I even do it? Because then I just think it doesn't look good or something. So I'll be back to show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, we're done now. Honestly, I like this side better than this side. I think I'll put a little bit too much on, but I think also the camera is catching a lot of imperfections because I'm looking in the mirror and I feel like it looks okay. I wish I could find a lip color that I really like. I mean, I like this lip color, but it's almost still a little bit too dark. But now I'm done. I'm ready for the day. I'm not doing anything with my hair. In fact, I'm putting it in this scrunchie. Also, literally the best scrunchie ever from Ulta, if you were wondering. It's like $10, which, you know, it could be a little cheaper, but it's cute. So, I don't feel like dealing with my hair today. So now I'm gonna get ready to go back up to my townhouse that I stay at when I go to Mizzou, which is where I go to college. And then I'm going to class. And then I'm working. Yay me. That's literally my life, so super exciting. Getting ready to go back to college, so I go home every weekend to give my dogs a place to run around with a yard, and also just to see my mom. She's really close, so everything I go back and forth with my extensions. I have my medicine in here. We bring back my toothbrush. If you do have dogs, I bring this hair tool back and forth. It's like $25 on Amazon. Highly recommend if you have dogs that shed. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I got a mask, contact solution, just stuff I kind of need everywhere I go. Also this Dyson Airwrap, because you know, if you have one, you just know that you gotta have it everywhere you go. All right, guys, so now I am out working. So I think I mentioned before that I currently just do delivery apps. So I do DoorDash, Instacart, Grubhub, and Uber Eats. I do it both in my hometown and where I go to college. I definitely prefer it in my hometown, but I'm gonna make a whole entire video dedicated to that process and how I've been really successful at it. I've started actually when COVID first came about. So I went from being a server for 4 years, which, don't get me wrong, I loved being a server, but I like this more because it's the same, if not more money, definitely more money for me, I think. And it's not as hard on my body. When I would serve, my back would hurt so bad because where I worked, there wasn't like busboys. Like, we basically did it all. And don't even get me started, but we had to sweep with a broom on carpet. And I'm 5'11", and you know what? You're probably not going to understand unless you're tall and you've ever done that task, but it hurts. So that's why I do what I do now. Like I said, I'm going to make a whole entire video dedicated to it and how tips on how to be successful at it. But I'm headed to pick up an order right now. So normally during the week when I'm in school, I'll do it from about 4 to 7:30 every day. Sometimes when I get out of class on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'll do it a little bit at lunch if the orders are good enough. And I try to aim for about 100 a day on Monday through Thursday. And then I aim for around 200 on the weekends to equal 1,000, which you guys probably think I'm crazy because that's literally every day. But honestly, I still, since I can work when I want, I still get to do anything I want to do. I just kind of work around it. And, so, you know, I don't work every day if I'm like going on vacation or something. And, I just lost my train of thought. Shoot. But I'm basically just trying to save money. I want to buy a house. I think I also mentioned that. I'm going to vlog that whole entire process. I've kind of already started it, but not the fun part. So I will record that when the time comes in about a month. But basically, it's not even like working. Like, I can wear whatever I want. You know, I listen to music, I listen to podcasts, I have an array of podcasts that I listen to, I call people on the phone. I mean, it's really like I said, every day, but it doesn't feel like every day. So that's why I really enjoy it. I will be starting at Commerce Bank in May, so that's after I graduate, also in May. So life is going to change real quick for me, which I think is kind of the reason, or a big reason why I wanted to start doing these videos again, so I can really like track this like turn point in my life, I guess. So I'm gonna drag you all along with me. I figure some of the things that I go through can be helpful to other people, as I already mentioned. So I guess that's it for now. So I will come back when I have something more to say. Okay, I literally hate when people put, I am the east facing, or I am this far north, or I don't know, anything to do with east, south, northwest. Like, I don't know what that means. Like, I just want you to tell me, like, left, right, up, down, I don't know. Don't tell me that. And also, like, even if I do know the direction, like, how do I know that you're talking about, like, you know, like the direction of north, or is he talking about like the way that he's facing? Does that even make sense? I don't know if that makes sense. My whole entire point being, I wish people would stop doing that for directions, because it's literally no help at all. Oh my god, of course she stopped. Did your dog ever just sit in that position for like 30 seconds? What are you doing, Nona? Ah, you're out of reach. What are you doing? Are you a doofus? Oh, get off. Off. Yeah, this one still needs training, so, you know, it's fine. So, I told you I'd show you what I'm cooking tonight. It's one of my faves. I originally became, how do I even say it, known to this. That doesn't make any sense. I found out about this on HelloFresh, and then I stopped doing HelloFresh because, in my opinion, it is not cheaper than buying your own groceries, but that's just my opinion. And I am also willing to go out and buy the ingredients myself. So we are making lobster and shrimp ravioli, which I'm going to turn that off. It's probably done now. Defrosting. But so I get the lobster ravioli from Sam's Club. That is $12, I believe. And then everything else, I mean, you can get wherever. We got the cream cheese, butter, sour cream, Italian seasoned salt, pepper, tomato paste, green onions, lemon. I don't even know if this is in it. I'm not sure why I got it out. And then Parmesan, but I'm using Monterey Jack because I can't tell a difference and it needs to be used. So, I'm not going to bore you with all of the things that you have to do, but basically you cook this, breadcrumbs and oil, and that will go on top later, and you season it with salt, pepper, and then put some lemon juice in it. Then you boil this, obviously, because it's pasta, and then we cook the shrimp. We season it with the Italian seasoning. I will also link this recipe down below. You might have to download the HelloFresh app to like view the recipe, but you don't have to like have a plan to view the recipe, just FYI. So after the shrimp is done, that's when you start mixing in. I believe it's like 3 or 6 ounces of this, I don't remember. And then 2 tablespoons of each of these to make the sauce. Adding some more salt, pepper, the rest of the Italian seasoning, and a little lemon juice. And then you top it off with those breadcrumbs I mentioned at first, and then with these green onions and the cheese. So, in conclusion, I do not think we actually need that, so never mind. But I will show you the full product when it is done. Alright guys, this is my finished product. Sorry I didn't position it and decorate it aesthetically, but it looks really good. It's going to be really good because I've had it before. So here's the finished product. And I think that's going to be it for this vlog. So I hope that you guys will join me for the next one. Thank you guys. Bye. Say bye, Nona.